Hello, everyone. Tyrone here for rotogrip.org, and I have a review of an app. My wife told me to download. She told me all about it, and I downloaded to my phone, and I like it so far. I like it. It's called Dosh, D-O-S-H, Dosh. And what this app is, in a short version, is a cashback app. Okay, it's a cashback app, and it's not your typical cashback app. You don't have to mail in rebates. You don't have to bill points. You don't have to buy everything online. You don't have to do none of that stuff. All you have to do is put your debit card into the app, so the cash goes to the app. And what you do is, if you go to see Carytown, if I go to Carytown right now, and if I swipe the debit card that's associated with the app, I get 7% cash back right then and there. Okay? So that's pretty neat. And you don't have to mail anything. You don't have to cash anything out. You have none of that stuff. All you have to do is go to the store, go to the restaurant, swipe your debit card that you put on file, and you instantly get cash back. Okay? Which is really neat. All right? Really, really neat. I like that idea. So basically, the restaurants you was going to anyway, you can, get more money back. Denny's, 10% off, 10% cash back. It goes into your debit card. So what happens is the money will go up here to the right-hand corner into a wallet. And you can always cash it out when you want to. So you cash it out, as soon as you get in the car from the store, you go ahead and cash it out. And there's a lot of restaurants me and my wife go into, and like Forever 21, you go over there and get 5% off cash back. Not a lot of money, but if you have a lot of coupons with the $5 cash back, you're saving a lot of money. Yeah, Pasta House, yeah, Red Nail Spa, get the wife's nails done, you get 5% off. Just, if you buy a gift card with your debit card, you get 5% cash back. Okay, you have Sam's Club is a good one. Marty's Grill, Elbow Arrangements. So there's a lot of good restaurants. You go shop online as well. There's a lot of travel. They have traveling stuff on here also. Here's home. And here's you can share on social media. Excuse me. So it's a pretty nice app. Basically, all you do is sign up. You take a debit card or credit card, whatever you use, and whatever you use in these stores, you can get 7% off, 7% cash back on your debit card, which is a good thing. I like that idea. Very easy to use, very easy to set up. It's not a scam. And if you use my affiliate link at the bottom of this video, you get a free $5. So they'll give you $5 for signing up using my affiliate link. Okay? So download. I say this. People are skeptical about these cashback app rewards. This is the real deal. I'm telling you, it's a real deal. Download the app. Use my link. Download the app. Just put a credit card or debit card you don't really use. Go to one of these restaurants or stores, buy something, and see you get cash back, which you will. So if you're a couponer like my wife is, this is perfect couponers. Perfect, because she'll get a coupon for Denny's, $10 for a meal. Well, she'll cash that coupon in, and she'll get 5% or 10% cash back on dinner. So that's a win-win. So this is a little review. This is come to stores inside. So if you like that video, give me a thumbs up. Leave in the comment section if you like the app. If you want to download the app and get you get free $5. You get $5 free for signing up using my link. Okay, so this is Tyrone again for rotogrip.org. Thanks for watching.